Hello, my name is Jason Pareja. I'm National Sales Manager for AG Neovo, and today I'd like to introduce to you the MeetCloud. The MeetCloud is a virtual whiteboard tool. The sign-up is free, accessible by any web browser. Please sign up and we hope to get your feedback on it. Let's immediately go to a session. So here's my whiteboard canvas. Let's say, for example, I'm doing a math problem on the whiteboard and I'm having difficulty answering it. I can invite a friend. There are many ways to invite them. I can do it by email, send them an email, they'll get a notification, and they can open up the whiteboard on any PC or Android device. iOS devices will come later. I can also set up a video conference call so that we can see each other while we're working on the whiteboard tool. My friend gets the notification, opens up the board, sets up her own video conferencing, and so we can both see each other, and now helps me out with my math problem. So we're working simultaneously on a virtual whiteboard. I'm happy. There's a lot of functionality, a toolbar at the bottom so I can erase the entire board and start on a new math problem. Okay. You can also export this work. You can import files as well. And we're going to be having increasing functionality of the board in the next 6 months. So please take a look. Thank you.